Atomberg's cutting-edge smart fan. A smart fan for a smart customer. So here are some smart uses. To make the most of your smart fan, get the right smart fan. One size doesn't fit all. Every room has its own dimensions, and every smart fan has its own capability. So get the one that fits your room best. Once you do, make sure the distance between your ceiling and your smart fan is 1 foot. The distance between the floor and your fan should be between 8 and 9 feet. And the distance from the side wall to the edge of the blade should be at least 2 feet. This will allow your smart fan to properly circulate air. And great circulation needs great ventilation. So more windows equals more ventilation equals better performance. If the room is bigger in dimension, then you can use multiple fans in that room. Don't overcrowd your room. It gets in the way of the airflow. And of course, for maximum utility, turn the speed up. For maximum air delivery, use boost mode in remote. As most of air is received under the fan circulation area, you can experience maximum airflow in that circulation area. Smart, effective, pure soothing bliss. Atomberg.